sadly, there's another fire which has broken out in Simon's garden. I'm at the front of my home. It's probably about 10 k's away from us. So you might see over there the helicopters are spraying it now. And I'm hoping it won't reach this side of my home. And go up to my garden, which is just over there. Well, here's my garden at the top. You can hear the copters in the background. Here we are, next to my garden. There's the fire, raging away. For the fire to come to me, it's got to go about 8 or 9 k's across a valley. Then it would need to come to this greenery, or else along the valley and over that mountain, down that gorge behind these trees, and then run along here as it did last time, and down there to get to my house there. That's what it did last time, but fortunately that area is already burnt. So we're probably relatively safe, thanks to the incredible fire department that we have in this part of the world. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and wish me good luck.